Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this new video. So in today's video we are going to create a 360 3D rotating logo without using any program. Let's get started. Step 1. Go on 3dgiftmaker.com, link in description, and import your logo. In this website there are many features and different animations. To get the 360 animation, just click the 360 spin and you're done. Now we need to set it up correctly. Decide how many frames, so images, you want to include in the animation. Set the numbers of loops to 1 and the speed to the one that you prefer the most. Then click the transparent option and you're done. If you want to add a back design, you can just click this button. Oh, I almost forgot, I have some assets for you guys. I created these animations. If you want, download them, they're free to use and they are pretty sick. You can use them as animated background for t-shirts or hoodies. That was easy, huh? If this video helped you, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. See you in the next one. Global Mind Studios out.